Want to automatically split your video into different scenes in CapCut? Here's how. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the home screen to load. Then, click New Project to create a blank project. Once you're in the editor, click Import in the top left corner and select the video you want to use. After importing your video, drag it from the media panel down to the timeline. Next, click the video clip to select it, then right-click on the clip. From the menu that appears, select Split Scene. Now just wait for CapCut to analyze your video and detect the different scene changes. Once it's finished, you'll see your video automatically split into multiple segments. Scrub through the timeline to check that the scenes were detected correctly. If there are any clips you don't need, simply select them and press delete. Finally, when you're satisfied with your edits, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred settings and name it, then click Export again. And that's it. CapCut has automatically split your video into separate scenes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.